Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I found one of my craft room necessities is a cutting mat. And the reason I love this Crafter's Companion 12-inch by 18-inch cutting mat is the size. For us scrapbookers who use 12 by 12-inch papers, and I also love the thickness and the quality of the mat to protect my surfaces while I'm cutting and to get a nice smooth cut. It has measurements both in inches on one side and centimeters on the other side. And both sides include specialty angles. So if you're doing those extra complicated and special projects, this is so helpful. Crafter's Companion has such great quality crafting tools, and this 12-inch by 18-inch cutting mat is no exception. I find that I use this so much in my craft room, and it is such great quality and makes my craft projects much easier to do. And that's my point of view.